This one. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more refreshment mocktail, Cranberry Pop Soda. Very simple mocktail you can try. First of all, take a shaker glass and you have to add lots of ice cream into the shaker glass. Then you have to squeeze on, fresh lime. Uh, just squeeze on fresh lime. After that, you have to add 90 ml of. Don't add more cranberry juice. You have to add just 90 ml to 120 ml of cranberry juice, and you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of lime for here. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Very fancy mocktail you can try. This is the refreshment mocktail I am making. Okay. After that, just pour all the mixing ingredients into the fancy glass. Then simply you have to fill the glass with soda. Your Cranberry Pop soda is ready. See how very fancy mocktail, refreshment mocktail you can try. You can garnish with lime slice, orange slices, and anything, and you can serve with one straw and to garnish with one mint leaf and all. Nice. Yes. This one, yes. See that garnish and everything. Okay. See, this is very fancy mocktail. Actually, you can try. The name of the mocktail is Cranberry Pop soda. Very simple mocktail. Cranberry juice, lime juice, and lime syrup. And simply you have to fill the glass with soda, and your refreshment mocktail will be ready. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like this mocktail, and please like and subscribe my channel.